Three things future-focused HR leaders are talking about. 1, increased adoption of AI.
I was reading how Yum Brands, parent company to Pizza Hut, is rolling out a lot of AI-driven initiatives. Talk to me about the rollout.
Yeah, so it's been a challenge, you're right. Like we're shifting mindsets and behaviors and really teaching our frontline workers that AI is there to help enhance their job, not replace them. Also finding the right use for AI in a restaurant type business, like you said, automated ordering, things like that. But even on the back end for our team members and standards, looking for standards, making sure that there's consistency in every pizza that goes out into the world and making sure that, we're putting our stamp of approval on every single one.
So what do you envision from an HR perspective in terms of new skills or new or different types of roles?
Yeah, AI prompt writing is going to be a big one, right? Because I think a lot of people still use AI to can you make this email sound better? But there's so many more uses to that can really streamline our work. I think a lot about, creating project plans and things like that. And then even at the restaurant level, how can we use AI from a training perspective? Well, one of the big challenges that we have is coaching, right? How do you have those difficult conversations with people? And in the past, it's been a lot of role play. Okay, let's get up in front of a classroom and let's pretend that you're a customer. And now we can create safe spaces for people to practice those coaching conversations through AI agents.
2, the shift toward employee-centric strategies. 3, enhanced data-driven decision-making. What I've noticed here at the HR conference is how much organizations are ready now, not just talking about it, but adopting AI into their various systems, into their tech stacks, trying to be more data-driven. Are you seeing this as well?
I am. I know they're embracing it because they're not so much talking about what is it, but they're talking about how do we implement it? What is the change management we need to go through? What are the business problems we're trying to solve with it? Which is a very different conversation than what we were having 18 months ago where people were like, no, I'm staying away from it.
Not in HR.
Yeah, not in HR, not in our business.
Stay tuned to GDS Group for more insights.